Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Today on Saturday, yes, Saturday, October the 7th. Yeah, October the 7th. Let me show you Saturday, October the 7th, 2023. We have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Samurai Sudoku. This one I will solve tomorrow evening. This one I will solve in a minute. And in the evening, here we have here the puzzle page of Saturday, October 7th. 6 extra puzzles. We have here two Sudokus with 3 stars, a killer Sudoku, 2 binaries 10 by 10, and a tectonic. 4 of these puzzles I will do in the evening. And tomorrow, Sunday, we have here the additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. Tectonic, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all tomorrow evening. Only 4 of them I will solve. But let me start with this one. Yeah. The regular medium Sudoku. Yeah. Daily Sudoku practice continues, and this one will be number 7227. 7227. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 4 in the 4 here, okay. How about the number 2 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look with 4 and a 9 in this column. So no 4 and 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 1 digit left in the last row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright. 3 is missing. Let me position the camera here. I've had trouble with that. Okay. Having troubles. Need to okay. The tripod. Alright. Well, now we have here 3 missing numbers, 5 missing numbers, correction. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6, the 2, and the 4. We have a 6, 2, and a 4 in this column, so no 6, 2, and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 6, 2, and a 4 goes in those 3 boxes. We have a 2 here, so the 2 should be here. 6 and a 4 could be everywhere. So what are these two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, the 6, 7, 8, and a 9 are missing. 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those two boxes in the last row. So the row between only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. So here 6 and the 4 are left. 6, 4, and the 3 are missing. Well, here can be a 4. 4 should be in one of those two boxes. We have a 4 in the third column, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me continue. 1, 2, 3. One of the missing numbers are 1 in this column. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. Well, will be difficult. 1, 5, 7. 6, 6. Need a 4 here. No. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in the second column. So no 1 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. We have a 3 and a 6 in the first row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. Number 8. 1, 2. Need a 3 here. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6. Need an 8 here. Yeah, 6 here. I'm thinking. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 7. Come on. This is taking too long. 7. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1, 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Alright. And now. These 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 9 in this row. So no 4 and 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. So what are these 3 missing numbers then? 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. Well, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 3, 6. 3, 6, 3, 6. Okay, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 7. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the first row is number 7. In the first row, yeah. Need a 7 in the first row. Here can be 7 because we have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. Here can be 7 because we have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. So the only place left with 7 should be there. So the 5 and the 2. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between only place left with the 7 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Cannot fill this yet. Same for here. Need a 7. So the 6 and the 3 are left. 6 and the 3. 6, 4, and a 2. Need a 2 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 6 here. 6, 3, and a 4. 6, 4. 8. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, 2 is missing. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 supposed to be here. So the 6 and the 4 are left. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So third row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 are missing. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. I need an 8 here, need an 8 there. Need a 9 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Yeah. 7, 6, and a 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5. The 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this column. No 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 7. Alright. So we have a 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place left with 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes in there. 9, 9, need a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes in there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column, so the column between. Oh no, we already have a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the 4, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 4 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. See a 6 in the 5th column, no 6 there. 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here, 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there, and a final number in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but definitely a 2 stars. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now.